Hey guys, me and my friend traded frames for like a day or two, but this is a Sunday Ian Schwartz signature frame. It's pretty sweet. Wow, my phone quality's really good. But my parts don't really match on here, but I think it looks pretty cool. Sunday tall T-bars, ODI long neck grips, Miracle stem. This headset just came off my Verde. Salt forks, Odyssey dirt tire, and this wheel, I don't know, it's just a stock wheel, it's not bad. And cush seat, and this frame has an integrated seat post, which is awesome. I got Redline device cranks, Eastern PC pedal. These pedals are really good actually. I've had them for like 8 months and they still work perfectly fine. I got Shadow half-link chain, Haro sprocket, and a Haro wheel. I got the 25/9 conversion kit set or whatever. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But tell me what you like about it, what you don't like. I'm probably not gonna keep this frame for a while, but I don't know. I think it looks awesome.